Okay, in this one we're going to use the unit circle to estimate the inverse cosine of minus 0.95. Remember, that's not the reciprocal, it's the inverse function. So in order to start, we need to ask ourselves, what do we do with cosine? We plug in a distance and the answer is an x value. So with inverse cosine, we plug in an x value and the answer's a distance. Now I see this x equals minus 0.95. We know how that works. That's a vertical line way over to the left. There's negative 0.5, not far enough. We just talked about this. It's kind of like that, I'm thinking. Right there and right there. What I'd like to do is sort of see if I can't actually figure out an answer. So it's sort of like that. This is 1.6. This is about 2.4. I'm thinking about 2.8-ish. As long as we get it that quickly, we can be pretty rough with the answer. What about the other point? Remember, this is a function. So when we plug in one number, we're supposed to get one answer. The inverse trig answers are always the closest point. But this point and this point are just as close, so that's not enough yet. With inverse cosine, you can't just pick the closest point. You want to pick the closest point that goes a positive distance. So this is going to be the right answer.